Hello friends, welcome to fourth episode of Weaving Hands with Amit. Hope you enjoyed our last episode. Today we have Mr. Amitabh to ask the questions which we have received through some social media platforms or through emails, directly emails. So as you can see from past three episodes, we are covering up very basic questions which are normally like what are the rugs and all these kind of things. So certainly like this is just to make everybody on the same boat so that people can know like what are the rugs. These are the basic things which we think like everybody should know. So today we have some questions. So Mr. Amitabh would be asking those questions. So can we have our first question, please?
How I can clean carpet?
If you talk about cleaning carpet by yourself, then certainly like there are some methods in like which you follow and you can clean your carpets. At home, like you can do some vacuuming, regular vacuuming. Like we could recommend for every carpet, like you vacuum your carpet once in a month, or maybe like once in 2 months, couple of months, or maybe 3 months. But certainly like within 3 months, you should vacuum a carpet once for sure. If there are any stains coming up or anything falls on the carpet, then certainly just use your cloth or something just for the dumping. Don't use anything scratchy or something to remove the dust from the carpet.
Are rugs stain resistance?
Yeah, some rugs are stain resistant, and certainly most of the rugs are not. The rugs which are stain resistant are made of man-made fibers like polyester, nylon, and all, and these are normally being used as outdoor rugs. So as they don't absorb anything, so that's why like they are stain resistant. But certainly for making a rug stain resistant, like we have to use a particular chemical which has to be spread all over the carpet so that nothing can go inside the carpet and the carpet should remain stain resistant. So can we have the next question, please?
What are the care instructions needed the carpet?
The care instructions basically depends upon the material and like what kind of carpet it is. If you are talking about a cotton rug, we recommend that you can, and if it is of small size, like certainly you can wash it up at your home. And if it is a wool rug or any other material, then we surely recommend to get it dry clean. And beside that, like just I would say that don't use anything at your home. Just don't try to doing it at your home because these are your expensive carpets. So certainly like doing this would be ruining your carpet. So can we have our next question, please?
Can we wash the rugs at home?
As I said in my previous questions, like if it is a cotton rug, if it is a small rug, or if it even like it is of wool, if it is a small and you can wash it into machine, then certainly you can wash those rugs. But we would highly recommend that you should opt for any dry cleaner or use some professional service to washing your rugs. Even you can visit our websites to see like we have the services for washing the rugs. So you can visit our website and see like we for the services we are offering. So today we have some other questions which somebody has asked. So can we have the question that?
What are the suggestions you can provide us to increase overseas marketing?
Okay. So this question has come from Panipat area, and I believe like Panipat is a hub for textiles and all. So certainly like I would say to do for the marketing of international, like to do marketing, you can add value to your products. Like whatever you are selling in your market, you should add value to your products. You should see like how you are approaching those clients internationally. Like certainly like in international market you cannot travel on daily basis, but you can do digital marketing through which you can reach your clients on daily basis. There are various platforms of digital marketing through which you can reach out to your clients. And like reaching out a client is not all thing. Like you have to identify like who is your target client, what is your market niche, and like who is the best suitable client for you. So these are some market research which you have to do before doing any kind of international marketing. So and the best part would be whatever the marketing you do, just add value to it. Only selling the product is not the right solution. So that was today's episode, and signing off. Thank you very much. Bye. Thank you.